Welcome back. Let's do example 3. Tabo wants to have 800,000 in his savings account in 10 years time. The interest earned on his savings account is 8.5% per annum compounded monthly. If Tabo pays an installment at the end of every month, calculate how much he must deposit each month so that he will have 800,000 after his last payment. So what type of annuity is this? This is the future value annuity because it's savings. He's saving for the future. So he wants to get 800,000 in 10 years time. So this is the future value that he wants to have, right? And then the interest rate is 8.5% per annum compounded monthly and is making monthly deposits. So how much must he deposit every month to get this 800,000 at the end of 10 years? Right? So we're agreeing that this is the future value annuity. We're going to use our formula. Future value is equal to X, which is the installment there, the monthly installment, 1 plus I to the power n minus 1, all this over I. Okay, all right. And then what we have here, we have our data. So the future value is what? Is 800,000, right? And then X, that's what we're looking for. We want to find out how much must you pay every month. And then our I is 0,085. Please don't make the mistake of saying 0,85. 0,085, since it's compounded monthly, is going to be divided by 12. If you want to use it as a percentage, you can still do so. You can say 8.5%. You have to put the percent divided by 12, is still fine. And then N, remember N is the number of payments. So 10 years every month. So it's going to be 10 times 12. Okay, right. Now let's substitute what we have into the formula. So we have our 800,000 is equal to X, and then we don't know what X is for now. And then 1 plus 0,085 divided by 12. Right, and then to the power 10 times 12 minus 1. All this over 0,085 divided by 12. And then what do? You can put this in the calculator. You can put this whole thing in the calculator. Put this in the calculator as it is. This must give you 188,138,4,164, like that. And then what do you do to get X? You divide by this whole thing, both sides of the equation. We get that X is equal to 800,000 divided by 188,138,4,164. And then what are we going to get for our X? We get that X is equal to 4,252 rand 188,444. 2 decimal places. This is 4,252,19.